Okay, we're headed down to CJR Suspension in Calgary to have the shock looked at. Okay, we're here at CJR Suspension. This is Charlie. He's going to take a look at my shock. So go ahead.
Awesome. Yeah, good morning everyone. We're down here at the shop. I'm Charlie, the owner-operator of CJR Suspension. We're one of Canada's only Racetech authorized service centers located in Calgary, Alberta. And yeah, we're going to give Rod a hand giving his CR125 shock a full service and rebuild.
And you'll take shocks, people can mail them to you?
Yeah, absolutely. We do tons of business from all over Canada. Just ship in a lot of the popular shipping companies, FedEx, UPS, Purelator, they all work within Canada here really well. Yeah.
And it's not just rebuild, you can do tuning for the rider's ability or weight, or you get that information from Racetech?
Correct, yeah. So we have we use the gold valve is what it's called. So Racetech has their proprietary piston setup, and yeah, you can bring any bike in, make or model, and we can set it up for your weight, speed, usage, if you're using it for motocross, off-road riding, all that kind of stuff. We do lots of street and adventure bikes as well. So yeah, we can do full setups, basic rebuilds, full setups, fork seal jobs, kind of anything that encompasses motorcycle suspension we can handle.
And give us your web address.
It's cjrsuspension.ca, and then Facebook and Instagram as well at CJR Suspension.
Okay, we got our rebuilt shock back from Charlie at CJR Suspension in Calgary. I'd like to give him a shout out. Real nice guy. The thing was done in a day. I was really surprised how fast he got it done. His shop's immaculate. If you need any kind of work for motorcycle suspension, I'll definitely give him the thumbs up. Check him out at cjrsuspension.ca. We're going to go ahead and put this back together and get it on the bike. I'm going to repack the silencer. It's a Pro Circuit. So it's not stock, but I'm not out to find a stock one necessarily, because there's nothing wrong with this one. So I'm just going to repack it. These can be a bear to get apart sometimes. I'm going to probably have to take it to the vise. We'll get this in the Varsol tank and get it cleaned up. This bike must have been pretty loud. Every one of these holes was plugged with hard carbon. I had to go along one by one with this O-ring pick and push the carbon out, so it should work a lot better now. So we're going to get the fiberglass out and put it together. Following the instructions here, came with this packing material. Truthfully, you could use pink insulation. We used to do that when I was a teenager. We couldn't afford anything fancy. I'm going to put some silicone around here because that's what it calls for the instructions. Made sure it's lined up at the back. There you have it, one repacked, ready to go silencer. Okay, so we got the rear shock in. Linkage is super tight now. Rear wheel is on, chain is on and adjusted and tight. Spins perfect. I did do a little work at the front of the bike. New OEM Honda grip. New rubber housing cover for the throttle. That was a real bear to get on. You got to stretch the heck out of it to get over that housing, so it's no wonder it was missing, probably ripped. I do have a new Honda cover coming for brake lever here. The other side, another new factory grip. Kill switch, proper Honda cable ties. Clutch works one finger, it's beautiful. So it's coming together. I guess that's going to be it for this episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time.